Hello, welcome to Silly Sausages on Dashcam episode 32. So then, what we're going to be, let's have a look, I've got this right up on here, there we are. My taxi adventures, let's have a look at this one. I hate ignorance, I cannot stand it, yeah? Now this lady here, I stopped to let her through. I know she's carrying bags, but she could have nodded her head to show appreciation. She just looks, not a thing. And you think the older generation would know better, wouldn't you? You really, really would. There's just no excuse for it, to be honest with you. This is the A595 coming back from Whitehaven. This road is notorious for accidents. And the camera doesn't do this justice. This car here, now you may think the distance is massive, but it isn't. That vehicle was a heck of a lot closer than what the dash cam makes it out to be. And loads of people say, well, there's nothing wrong with that. But with a dash cam, for some strange reason, double it in nearance to make it nearer towards you in real life to what the camera is actually showing you. Okay, so we'll have a look at this again. Yeah? Now at that point there, it seems miles away, but it's not. I mean, I experienced this in real life. If this was my real sight and not on the camera, that vehicle would appear to be about twice as close to you as what the camera is making out to be. So no, it wasn't. And if you look carefully, right, you can just tell it happens all the time. There's obviously someone's had to slam their brakes on because somebody like that has pulled out in the future and caused an accident. So yeah, just crazy driving. This is coming into Whitehaven itself. White van man on the left opens his door, just has no idea, no awareness at all. So I pressed the button by mistake there. Watch the van driver here. There we go.
Very good.
Just, he didn't even attempt to look, and that is a really main busy road. Once again, another silly sausage. It's just a van ahead of me, carrying building materials who thinks it's perfectly fine to run red traffic lights. Doesn't occur to him or her driving. There we go. Straight through, doesn't make an attempt to slow down. People waiting to cross as well. Silly. This is another clip coming into the train station at Carlisle. Just people just on the phones, just totally not aware. There we go, a little look up later on, but not even an attempt to move out the road. It's a busy station. And it's just, this happens all the time as well. You show again?
Get off your phone, man. Watch where you're going. Another sausage.
And it's your fault. Look, there's a path that goes all the way around. This is just laziness and ignorance, just that car in front just can't be bothered to indicate whatsoever. Such a simple thing to do. There's the brakes.
Indicate your sausage.
There's crackers. Them potholes on that road now. This is the Sun Centre Carlisle Leisure Centre car park. Another vehicle in front of me. Just don't know if he even knows I'm behind him, but slows down. I don't know what he's doing, or he or she.
Nice indication, you pleb. Sausage pleb.
Dear.
Morning.
This is another thing that really cheeses me off as well. I'm indicating to go right. The traffic lights to the right are on red. Cars coming to the left can clearly see us. And what happens to the black vehicle? Pulls right in front and just
Them ignorant
doesn't bother.
You know what I mean?
So I decide to turn left so I can turn around and come back the other way.
That's why you get traffic jams all over the place.
Ignorance is seriously bad, like in this day and age.
There's a whole raft of
This is another one come back from Dumfries, where the camera gives the illusion that the car ahead is miles away, and it isn't. I'm doing 60 mile an hour. If it doesn't look like it, I'm having to slam my brakes on here.
This tournament is what it
60
is.
mile an hour, slammed the road, slammed the brakes on.
Yeah,
Absolute cheb.
there's not a head-on smash or anything like that, and people are disappointed because there isn't like a 10-car pile-up. But you know, it's dangerous. He's pulling out, and if you have to slow down and put your brakes on because a car's pulled out on you on an A road, then he's too close. It's as simple as that. And this is just another impatient driver because, you know, I must apologise for sticking to the 30 mile an hour speed limit in a built-up area.
How are you, shovel-eyed sausage? Bloody hell.
These used to annoy me, but I'd just take it tongue-in-cheek. But it's the standards of driving is just pathetic. It's absolutely serious. Just me stopping for the median, so that is a bus and taxi lane. This bit here. Wait a minute, you're not a bus or a taxi. Wait a minute. Neither are you.
Well, what used to sausages do you up?
This is where we need vehicle registration recognition cameras.
Naughty, naughty.
Yep. What were you doing in there? This is another classic example how just haven't a clue. See the train station, there's a lot of building work going on over there, but the traffic lights are there. That car pulls out, is now blocking that lane, so for cars coming this way will not be able to move. What are you doing?
You've got yourself in a pickle, haven't you silly sausage?
You can't believe it, can you?
You can't drive around Carlisle Part 2.
So I'm going to move forward now, seeing you're not doing anything. Absolutely unbelievable. This is another one for ignorance. In Carlisle again, there's a woman there about to get in a car. I stop and I actually signal to her, go on in you go. Not a thanks, not an acknowledgement, nothing. And I can see through them windows, just nothing.
Nice and lovely wave, yeah. More fucking ignorant. Do you know what? These pensioners are the worst. I stopped, let her in, not a wave or fucking note. Ignorant, wrinkly old sausage.
It's crazy, isn't it? This is just somebody in the roundabout, or ahead, I'm in the roundabout, that doesn't know, giving way to the right, or just doesn't care. I'll just, there we are. That was the vehicle, did you see it? Let's just rewind it again, in case you missed it. There's Aldi supermarket to the left, it's a busy little entrance and exit. That car there just comes straight past, supposed to be giving way to that white car.
Bloody sausages, I know how you feel, pet. I've got to put up with that all day long. Bloody Nora Batty.
Now these, there's a company I think it's called Dingbro, but I nickname them Dingbats because the standard of driving is atrocious. I let him out, go on. He did wave, so I'll give him some brownie points there for thank you, but he went straight away at the bottom of the class again. No indication or anything. Bang.
Nice,
And they do that all the time. Professional driver in his van as well. Shocking. This annoyed me as well. Kids coming out of school. It's busy. Mother there, miles behind the little ones. I mean, look at that little girl there. Let's just rewind that in case anybody's like sort of missed it. There's the mother there. Far too far behind. Especially such the little girl there. And if you look, It's like she's just trying to cross that road without even looking. I've spotted it, and I literally come to a right crawl to eventually to a stop because I just don't know what they're going to do. Well, a very irresponsible parent, you know, just stick right next to your kids on a main road. Seriously.
Some mothers are just not bothered on busy roads, are they, with the kids?
Now this woman, I think she's putting her makeup on or doing her hair. The lights. This is the car ahead here. Let's have a look. Sorry, that's the car there. Lights are on green. You see her doing her hair. She's looking in the interior mirror.
Better than your sausage, you're on fucking green lights, man. What you
There's
thinking?
no cars or any vehicles in front. There's nothing wrong with her car before.
Actually, what is he fucking doing?
And let's just see how many seconds are realised. 1,
Totally unaware. And there's even vehicles going past.
4, 5, 6, 7.
And the end. That was the end of the video. But I will do the second part to it. Hold on. There we go. Still
9, so give it a little pip.
sitting there. There's nothing wrong with the car.
Still sat there.
Is
Is
somebody
he like a foreign fucker or something?
I don't know. Is there somebody in the back? Is there somebody in
That's just nuts, isn't
Yeah,
it?
there's a driver there.
I was tempted to get out my car and go around to see if she was alright, but I could see her doing her hair and this and that and the other.
She's drinking.
And there was about 3 or 4 cars behind me, overtook her, and then she was on her way.
I don't understand that, do you?
So goodness knows, goodness knows.
Walk down, put your hazard lights on.
Now this really grates on a lot of motorists. This is such a busy section of Carlisle. It's just gridlocked practically all the time, and it's because of this here. There's a car wanting to be in the lane, and he's just blocking now. The lights are on green.
Sausages, that.
We can't get past. And now what usually happens is
No, besides, do you want to stand
if
in the other lane?
these traffic lights, not on this occasion, but most of the time, they go back on red. We've missed a sequence of green light, causing more backlog of traffic.
Bloody sausage.
Just because some ignorant prick decides that it's his road and his road only. Do you know what I mean? So there we go. That's your silly sausages and Dashcam.